Hello, this is Jerome Estes, Design Area Engineer from the Division of Project Support at the Colorado Department of Transportation. In this video, I provide a summary of Chapter 3, which delves into the facility type road within the 2023 CDOT Roadway Design Guide. Chapter 3 guides the designer through applications to be applied to road facility types, which are generally characterized by shoulders and roadside ditches, commonly found in low-density and rural areas. The road context classifications are generally known as C1, rural mountainous environment, C2, rural places, and C3, suburban places. Determining a road's highway capacity and facility operations will lead the designer or engineer into important contextual considerations. For example, is a facility that is currently classified as a road projected to become a street per the 20-year traffic volume projections? General design considerations within this chapter include studying whether different context classifications might apply within the same project's limits. Does one project begin rural in C1 and then transition to, say, a rural town in a different context classification? The practitioner will evaluate the criteria for the project using factors of design speed, design traffic volume, and level of service as it relates to the project location. Designers and engineers will need to assess multimodal accommodations for the road facility type. Users of this guide are encouraged to use forward thinking about the use of transit systems, bicycles, pedestrians, and vehicles in a rural context to serve the unique needs of that community. The practitioner will need to evaluate how the Americans with Disabilities Act, ADA, might shape their project to provide safety for all pedestrians. Chapter 3 discusses horizontal and vertical geometry details as these relate to the specific context classifications that apply to the facility type road. This chapter guides the designer through the discussion of roadway grades, considering surrounding terrain and vertical curve criteria. A common performance-based practical design application related to superelevation is provided, followed by a general discussion on cross-section elements. Chapter 3 concludes with offering information on the appropriate design of medians, drainage, pedestrian facilities, bicycle facilities, and transit operations within the road facility type. In the next video, I will provide a summary of Chapter 4, which explores the street facility type.